The rules for multiplying integers are quite simple. There are two situations when your answer is going to end up positive. One of those situations is when both of the numbers given are positive integers. The other situation is when you have an even number of negative signs in your problem. The only time your answer is going to end up negative is when you have an odd number of negative signs in the original problem. And it doesn't matter if it's multiplication or division, the rule applies for both of them. If you take a look at this example, negative 12 times negative 3, we know our answer will be positive because we have an even number of negative signs in the problem. If we take a look at this example, negative 12 times positive 3 is going to give us a product of negative 36. Because there is an odd number of negatives in this problem, our answer is going to end up being negative. Sometimes you will be given a problem when you will have to multiply more than two integers, but the same rule will still apply. Let's take a look at this example. There are 4 negatives in this problem, and because 4 is an even number, the rule states that our answer will end up being positive. And if we take a look at this next example, because we have 3 negatives in our problem, we know that our answer is going to be negative. Because we have 3 negatives and that is an odd number, we know that our answer is going to end up being negative. The same rule applies for division. Looking at the problem, negative 35 divided by negative 7, we know that our answer is going to end up being positive. Because there are 2 negatives in our problem and that is an even number, we know that our answer is going to be positive. And taking a look at this second example, we have a negative number divided by a positive number, which will always give us an answer that is negative. Because there is only one negative in our problem and that is an odd number, we know, according to the rule, that our answer is going to be negative. So remember, an even amount of negative signs will give us a positive answer, and an odd amount of negatives will give us a negative answer.